Hello, it's Mateo, and Metz is behind the camera, and we ordered some samples of our products, and they came in. Yay! It's like Christmas, so I'm going to unpack a few things. These are things for us and gifts for friends, and these should be sweatshirts.
I'm very excited.
One, two, sweatshirts, yay. So I found a Raccoon Skull across the street from my house in the woods, and put it on a sweatshirt.
That looks amazing.
Full zip. That's Teresa's, and I got one too because I love it so much. Dun, dun. Looks the same. Needs to be washed. Can't wait to wear it.
Perfect for those chilly nights out camping, sitting by the campfire.
I also have them on framed canvas prints. This is a 5x7. They come in, I think, 3 different sizes, all available on metzandmateo.com. This is the other side, the top of the skull, and then the teeth side, which came out quite nicely. I love these prints. They have sold quite well. Also have a t-shirt. This is available in a t-shirt with just the front with the skull, and then also front and back, which is a little bit more expensive because they have to print on both sides. Reminds me of those goth days at the club. And there's more. Put these aside. What else did you get? I think a notebook and a travel mug. Just fun about print on demand is you can print on just about anything. Ooh, there's like goodies inside of goodies. Trash. Let's see. Let's start with this little one. It's interesting to see how this product is packaged because we don't have any of this in-house. Print on demand means that something isn't made until you order it, and then it's being printed from one of our manufacturing vendors and then sent directly to you, so it doesn't ever come through our hands. And this looks like it's a notebook. No matter how dark the night, a new day will dawn and the light will reach you once more. I can almost read. This is an inspirational quote that Teresa wrote. Excuse me, Metz, also known as Teresa. Shh, don't tell anyone her secret. This is available in a poster. This is a ringed notebook used for journaling and jotting down lists and so forth. I believe we have that on a mug and a t-shirt. Let's see what else is in here. Another box within a box. Ooh, you bought 2 mugs. Maybe?
Yes, I did.
Oh, fun stuff. Be careful not to cut anything. We also print on travel mugs. This is one of our beautiful flowers. This is a chicory flower, which grows naturally all along our roadsides here. It's quite pretty. Doop, doop, doop. Has a screw-on lid.
And if you want to be totally set for the beach, there's a matching tote right back there.
Matching tote on cue. Doop, doop, doop. And let's see, we also have other mugs. This is one of my favorite. This is one from my personal collection of lily pads. It's a photograph I took and then impressionized it in Photoshop. And here's an example of a mug with one of our inspirational posters on it. This is one of my favorites. So we have all sorts of travel mugs. This is another one. I think this is one of our branded products. Their Metz and Mateo logo. There's a story behind this logo. I live across the street from a pond. There's lots of lakes and rivers and ponds and streams and so forth in Michigan, and so there's billions of dragonflies every year. They're one of my favorite insects. This illustration was done by our very close personal friend, Dennis Notruft. On the back is the metsmateo.com, where you can purchase any of these products. And I think that's it for today for the gifts and so forth. Thank you for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.